Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I'm going to share with you is an absolutely great tripod if you have a DJI Action Pro camera. Whether it is Action Pro 5 like I have, or maybe you have the newer model, the 6, or one of the older ones, this is going to work really, really well for you. So this was sent over by a company called Flymile. It's going to come in this little box right here. Once you open it up, you're going to get the tripod. And as you can see, it's just a nice little small tripod. This is an adjustable height setup here. So on the shortest end, it is 8 inches. On the highest end, which is what it is here, it's at 21 1/4. Basically, it just pushes. It has 4 extending tubes that are made out of nice aluminum. Go ahead and pick the position that you want, and you're good to go. Now, you will notice it has a nice little tripod stand here, so you can use this like as a tripod, but you can also go ahead and choose to close these and use it as a selfie stick form as well. So if you are wanting to do any footage, you're skiing down a mountain or something like that, you can do that as well, which is a nice little feature. So it's dual purpose, which is great for capturing those moments. As far as the tripod part at the bottom, it does have a nice textured grip to it, so it's very comfortable to hold. And then it locks in places, so you don't have to worry about these popping open on you. You have a little button there, press that, and then you can go ahead and open it and pull it. And then on the bottom corners, it also has a little silicone kind of piece, so that keeps it more stable when it is sitting down on a surface, and it's not going to slide as easy for you. Now, as far as where you're going to attach it, it has a 360-degree ball attachment with an easy to tighten kind of thumb turn here, so you could very easily do it with one hand, but it has that nice rotation so you can capture any angle you want because it is a 360 and has the notch. So that way you can shoot straight down or shoot straight up if you so desire. Works very, very well. And then naturally it has the quick release, which I absolutely love for the DJI Action cameras. So it has a nice little clips onto the end with that magnetic base. Has a nice silicone cover on the bottom with even a little bumps here of silicone, which is all gonna help with the stability, especially with any vibration or anything like that. Now, another nice feature, if you are recording, let's say you have another camera or you're wanting to attach, it does have a cold shoe mount on the side, which can also rotate around 360 degrees. So for example, Flymile makes also another little cold shoe adapter mount. You can actually have 2 cameras going at the same time, simply slide it in perspective, and now you can capture a horizontal and vertical footage all at the same time, which is pretty cool with those quick release mounts, and you can adjust them however you need, which is a nice little feature. So overall, if you're looking for a really nice, just little compact tripod that is very versatile, great size for travel, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.